All right, y'all. We're at Huang Plaza in Houston, Texas on Belair Street. And I never thought of doing something like this, but we're mainly just gonna focus this building right here, building E, because there's something I wanna show you. And if you guys have watched me for a long time, and YouTube user Elevating West Houston has also came here before with some poor maintenance and activity. Only 1 out of the 3 elevator cars in this whole entire section works. So I figured why not include all 3 elevators in one video. So with that being said, this is not really a full tour of this building. A little bit of a mini tour, but just mainly showing the elevators to see how they're doing. So with that being said, let's check them out, shall we? All right, here's one of the elevators at Huang. I wonder what that sign is. You may have thought this elevator is red tag, but it still works. My lens got a little bit dirty, and you see they also redid the cab, at least of some sort. See how this thing runs now. Before we go, as you see, they obviously repainted the cabs, and the graffiti that was written all over it is gone too. So let's see how this thing runs. Oh my! Diesel DC is a real live train engine. That was definitely a bump. Looks like this might be a perfect upload for 330A Day. March 30th, also known as. It's also missing a key switch now. You can literally open the cabinet. They obviously redid the cab since I last recorded this 2 years ago. These are your fixtures. Hopefully it'll be better during the second trip because it was sitting for so long. Which is why I made that big thump. Looks like this panel's also... Looks like this panel's kind of loosened a little. Oh yeah, look, I think the screw's kind of coming off. I can see that. Well, I'll let you guys decide on this, but it appears that it doesn't run so good since last time. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it. All right. This is the second elevator here at the same location, and would you look at that? Call button is missing. And look at the doors. It's like completely vandalized. If there are any swear words, please let me know in the comments. I hope I don't see any swear, but oh my gosh, there's graffiti on the hoistway doors. That appears to be like a caution tape, but somebody just literally ripped that off. Oh my gosh, I have never seen an elevator in such horrible condition like this. This literally is in beyond repair. Let's go to the second floor so see what we got. Doors are in good shape on this floor, at least for the most part. And oh my gosh, the call station is completely butchered. And would you look at that? Even the exit sign is like coming off the ceiling. Look at that. Wow. This building is like something else. Look at this. Look at the call station. Oh my gosh. The call station is a disgusting shape. I have seen such bad elevators, but nothing like this in my whole entire life. I've been filming elevators over the past 20 years. At least the doors are in good condition, but the call station, oh my gosh, that is seriously, whoever neglected the elevator like this before. And here we go up to the third floor. I can't believe this shopping plaza in such sad shape. In such sad shape that is in. And there's also like a sign leaning against the elevator doors. As you can see, call station is not as bad as it on the second floor, but still not any better. Wow. This is something else, y'all. There's like a sign leaning against the elevator door. Wow. At least, oh my gosh. Whoa, would you, even the faceplate is missing on the exit sign. Wow. I can't even believe it. Wow. This is something. I don't even know what to say. I can't even believe I see this elevator such poor shape like that. I don't even have a word to describe this elevator. I have never seen such a most vandalized elevator like this in my whole entire life. This building is such poor shape. Sorry, I'm very slow walking down the stairs. Wow. I don't even know what to say. But if you're wondering over there, you may not see well, but right across the way is the only working elevator over there that I just did. All right, anyways, that'll be it. All right, here is the third elevator at Huang Plaza, which I realize this is building E. And look at this. Another broken call station. You can literally see the inside of it. I can see the grounding wire. Wow. Out of all the 3 elevator cars here in this building, only one of them works. Let's see how it is on the second floor. This building is something else. I don't even know what to say in terms of this maintenance. In terms of a maintenance like this, I only got 1 elevator car working. This whole building is heavily vandalized. Here's American First National Bank. There's an office right there. I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in there. Sadly, this elevator is dead as well. Let's go to the 3rd floor. You see onto the plaza right there. I think that is building A. That's building B. And there's the Huang parking garage with the Otis Series 5, and that's building C right there. See that parking garage right there? It's almost like the Otis Series 5 all over again. The Otis Series 5 in the parking garage has the same exact fate as these elevators I'm showing here in this video. So sad to see this building in such poor condition like this. I'm getting tired of walking up the stairs. I've been walking up the stairs a lot. I'm getting tired now. Sorry, the camera's shaking a little. At least the doors are not heavily scratched up like the second elevator was, but sadly it's down. Over there's the parking garage. Wow, what kind of a maintenance is this? All right, that's all 3 elevator cars that I just checked out. We'll get a view of the plaza itself. And there's Huang Plaza Building A with the infamous Otis Series 5 NEL with some sort of shenanigans. I'll say that, but not in a good way though. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here and go down the stairs and leave. That concludes all 3 elevators that I have seen in this building. Can't believe only one of them works, which is really sad for a building like this. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that will be it.